All right, guys. Today it's just going to be very brief. You might be going. We have a lot of videos on this, but I feel this would make it more simpler for you. So if you have a Samsung, this Samsung product of a family hub fridge, and you have you have a warning sign saying your water filter has expired. It's so easy. I'm just going to show you the basic step to replace them. So follow me. You open your fridge, and from here, the air is the water filter. So all you have to do is to turn it anti-clockwise to take it out. It's easy. This way, push in and turn 90 degrees, and push out. So when you pull it out, then you replace it with the new one. You take off the cover of the new one. Just take it out. Take out the cover of the new one, and it's gonna still have the rubbers and everything in there. So for you to have this replaced, all you have to do is this way, and you push it in and turn clockwise, removing it counterclockwise, putting it back clockwise. And all you have to do, but before this, the first step you are supposed to do is just turn off your water valve that runs in your home. So the next thing you are doing is to come here, and this is the main panel. Go to your fridge setting and water filter. So all you have to do is to reset. Proceed. Alright, so it's already installed, and there we go, back to it, back to the main page. Your water filter is clean. And after this, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your valve, your water valve that runs to your home, and turn it on. And before you can start drinking this water, you have to take out like 7 gallons of water from your fridge before it's ready to, 2 gallons rather, 2 gallons of water from your fridge, just from here. And also make sure that you empty the ice maker by going to the ice maker and emptying it. All right, thank you very much. If this video has actually helped you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like, and also share this video. Thank you.